Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Llorona and Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay guys, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this black color. And you're going to put on this necklace, make it white for the first selection and make it this red for the second selection to create the bloody effect. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this corset area and I'm going to put on this corset. All right, and we're going to color it white. Okay, I'm going to color it white for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it white, and for the third selection I'm going to make it this red. Oops, not this red but this one. Okay, and then for the ribbon I'm going to make it white. Okay, and for the last selection I'm going to make it white. All right, and then the next one I'm going to put on the sleeves. We're going to make it white. Okay, for the first selection and the second selection. All right, and I'm going to go to the changing room here and I'm going to choose the coats item. I'm going to go to the coats and I'm going to choose the Sabrina Carpenter dress. And for the first selection, we're going to make it this red. And for the second selection, just leave it like that. And I'm going to select this skirt from which set. And I'm going to make it white. All right, make it white for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and still from the which set, I'm going to put on the sleeves. And I'm going to make it white for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay guys, and then this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create La Llorona, the urban legend in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!